Since the video, What You Need to Know Before Buying a Boxabl, went viral, some of the most frequent comments have to do with land, permits, utilities, and site setup. It seems like everyone, including myself, loves the idea of owning a $50,000 foldable home. But we also want the traditional comfort of one-stop shopping, where you get your house, your land, and your utilities set up all in one transaction. So what if Boxabl was to set up a development where all of that was done for you, and all you had to do was sign on the dotted line and pay your mortgage? How great would it be if there were no pesky HOAs or worries about permits for future expansions? You could come to the neighborhood, pick out your lot of land or two, and watch your Boxabl be set up in less than 24 hours. You could have a garage added or a carport delivered from Amazon. What if the community had a resort feel with self-sustaining amenities like a 5-star restaurant, fitness center, boutique shops, outdoor theaters, spas, and tennis, basketball, or handball courts? Or would you prefer a country feel with wide spaces, ponds, and wooded valleys? What about a mixture of both? With people beginning to look into less conventional methods for acquiring affordable housing, tiny house communities are popping up all over the world. And with Boxabl almost a quarter of the way done with their government contract, and soon on their way to completing a house every 90 minutes, a foldable home community sounds like the perfect project. So would you live in a Boxabl community? And what do you think they should include? Remember to subscribe to our channel and check out our subscriber page for freebies, discounts, and more. Thanks for watching, and have fun today.